Hello and welcome to How Do Hackers Hack. In this quick course, we're going to go through the techniques that hackers use to hack systems and computers and understand how to protect against them, how to become a hacker, and how to understand what is a hack and what is just a hoax. Okay, let's begin. So this course is only for educational purposes. I expect you not to abuse any of the knowledge that you gain from this course, and do not attempt to hack or threaten to hack anyone, because all of that is illegal. Hi again, my name is Abbas Naderi. I'm a professional hacker. I've been a hacker for more than 10 years. I've been a cybersecurity expert working in various companies. I've been working in many professional hacking firms around the world, and I've also served as a security engineer at Google. I also teach hacking at University of Virginia under a course called Defense Against the Dark Arts, which has both graduate and undergraduate modules. You can find me with the nickname ABSX on all social media, and feel free to send me mail and messages if you need to.